Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is OGOM'S series here again, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So today we'll be talking about how to get to your 4,000 public watch hour faster on YouTube if you are still not monetized on YouTube, how to get more subscribers, how to get more views on your channel. If this is a video that you can relate with, if this is a video that you would love to watch, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Welcome back. So I am going to be making use of my YouTube book. I have so many things that I have written down, so if you see me looking down, I'm actually reading out some of the things that I would love to talk about so that I don't forget anything. So in order for you to get to your 4,000 watch hour immediately on YouTube, first of all, when you are coming into YouTube, you already have something you want to talk about, something that you know that people would love, because you don't just start your YouTube channel. There is one particular thing that you would have in mind people would love you do. Like when I started my YouTube channel, or rather, Sandra's Reality, you all know Sandra's Reality, okay? I usually post my workout videos on Facebook, on Instagram, and she said, why don't you come start posting these videos on YouTube? In that way, you make people follow you on your workout routine, you also get paid, and you're happy doing it, because I'm very happy doing my workout videos, okay? That was what I had in mind. I was coming in to motivate people to do workout and also going to get paid while doing that. So you must have had one particular thing in mind that you're coming to YouTube to come and showcase people that they would love to watch, okay? You have to be unique in your own way. What is that one thing that you would offer to people that will make them stay glued to your channel, okay? That is one thing that you should have considered in your head, stored in your head when you're coming to YouTube, okay? Your video content should sell you out. Your video content should be unique. Your niche should be unique, okay? What is that thing that you would offer to people that will make them say, oh, this channel, I'm definitely going to get stuck here, okay? You should have that one thing in mind. Is it weight loss? Is it food recipe? Is it your tribe food? Is it your faith in God? Is it your weight loss? Is it your, like, anything? What is that one thing that you would love to post to people that will make you stand out in your channel or on your channel? Video content should be the first thing that you have in mind. That particular video that you would love to post that people will watch, because once people watch you, your watch hour is counting. That is the most important thing. Having a very good content, value added, because you don't just come and start posting random videos. Some people would start talking in videos, they will be saying one thing, go out from there, move away, and later you are not cutting out that place that even if you want to show yourself, at least you cut out some unnecessary parts that you don't want people to see. Those are errors while you're filming your video, so people shouldn't see it. We all have our back, like, what do they call it? Bloppers, Shebi? Hey, Oyibo. I think they call it bloppers, or we all have it, but we don't come and start showcasing it in our video. Post value added content, value added information, okay? If you're in England though, or you want to make a video on how to relocate to England, how to relocate to UK, it's a video niche that people would love to watch. So your video content should be the first thing that should make you stand out. In that way, people are watching your video constantly and are getting value for it, and they will definitely stick to you. So your video content should be one thing. Now, another thing I will always tell people is, as people are watching your video content, please improve in your skill, improve in your editing skill, improve in your quality, okay? If you need to get let me say, if you need to make your videos with sunlight, natural lightning, I don't think that you should go and start getting a ring light to film your videos, unless you want to film at night. I usually make use of my sun to make my videos. You can sit by the window side when the sun is out, make your videos. In that way, your video quality is very popping. If you're speaking, speak audibly that people can hear. Get a mic. There are different mics for which you can get in order for you to make people hear you. Don't come and start talking like Onyobi. No, now we don't need that. We don't need that, okay? If you need to improve in yourself, improve in your video quality. In that way, people keep coming back to your channel. They keep watching your videos, applaud you when you do that. And in that way, you're getting to your 4,000 watch hour quickly. Now, posting video is another thing. Posting value added videos is another thing, with good quality and the rest of them. Now, how well do you communicate with your audience? How well do you communicate with your subscribers? It all boils down to you reading comments. Some people drop video contents for you in the comment section that they would want you to do. Maybe they must have seen one or two things that you are good with, for which you don't even know. Some people drop video contents on your comment section, but some people are coconut head. They will not read the comments, they won't reply the comments, and they will miss out on that one. So you need to relate well with your audience, you need to relate well with your subscribers, and that will make them to keep coming back to your channel, and they will definitely watch your videos more. Now, another thing is attending live stream. Okay, I know you are just a new YouTuber on YouTube, and some people will be asking, what is LS? LS is live stream. There are YouTube promoters that host their hosts. Hold up. There are YouTube promoters that make videos as in, it's just like a live stream. How you go live on your TikTok, how you go live on your Facebook, how you go live on your Instagram. That is what some YouTube promoters do on YouTube. Okay, you can go to that place, whatever you see that they're doing there, even if it's sub for sub. Now there are different types of sub for sub. Okay, while we are still growing, we all did for sub for sub. I did sub for sub. Okay, if you see people coming to your house, they will say, hey, come to my house, subscribe to my channel, I will subscribe to yours. Do that in order for you to get to your 1,000 watch hour, your 1,000 subscribers first of all. And then if people are coming to your house to come and watch your videos, you are getting to your 4,000 watch hour. There are different YouTube promoters that you can go and they will promote your channel, and in that way you get to your 4,000 watch hour immediately. I will say this again, Deaconess Bleske, attend her live stream. I'll be leaving their names on the screen. Attend people's live stream. People need to know you. Don't just be in your small shell. Don't just be in your small corner and think that once you post video, you go and sleep and people will locate you. I know our unique subscribers will locate us. I know that our unique viewers will locate you. But you need to do something in order for them to locate you. People need to know you. You need to be on people's face. Let people know you. How you go and do savage reply on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter. Do that savage reply on YouTube, but it should be meaningful comments that you drop on YouTube, because if you're always where they're doing buzz, people will not come to your channel. Okay, build your channel uniquely. Build your channel. Do you, be unique. Okay, now as I was saying, Deaconess Bleske, I'll be leaving her as her name on the screen. She does her live stream every day. Attend different people's live stream. Don't just stay one place. Deaconess Bleske, African New TV, Daddy Bella, who again does. These are the three people that I know. Okay, I always go to their live stream. These are the people that I go to their live stream while I was still growing. I met so many family on these people's live stream, and they still support me up till today. So if you don't know what LS is, it's called live stream, whereby you go and meet other content creators that you are not aware of. They will come to your house, visit you, watch your videos, and your subscriber count keeps growing. Your public watch hours keeps growing. That is all the things that you need to do in order to get to your 4,000 public watch hour. I haven't even looked at my book since. So now, you also need to post consistently. Okay, don't forget this. Post your videos 3 to 4 times every day. You are still growing. Okay, you are here to win. You are here to get to that target for which you have set for your YouTube goals. Then you need to make it happen. If you're posting videos once every week, 2 times every week, 3 times every week, 4 times every week, make sure that you are posting consistently as you have told your subscribers. Don't put any pressure on yourself. Post your content as much as possible. Even if it's once every week, that means you're posting 4 videos every month. You can increase that as time goes on, as your schedule allows you to do that. Post consistently. Post consistently. You don't post video today and the next time we are going to see you is the next 3 months, and you expect your subscribers to be waiting for you. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, they will definitely go to other channels that give them more than what you're offering to them. So as a young YouTuber still growing or still trying to get to your monetization, you need to be on your toes. You need to be on your toes. Okay, don't allow them to give you a run for your money. Okay, tell them that you can make it. Tell them that you can do it. Okay, now as a young YouTuber still trying to get to your 4,000 watch hour, you need to post your link on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, on your Twitter. Let people know that you are a YouTuber. In that way, they're coming to watch your videos. But remember that all this boils down to the video content that you are pushing out. Okay, if it's a value added content or a reasonable content, there is no way that people will not watch it. But no way you are always on your channel talking one thing or the other that is not meaningful and not reasonable. People will definitely click out. There is no way your audience will be retained on your video if you're not doing a value added content, or you're making a video we are seeing so many distractions in the background. It doesn't make sense. You need to make your videos unique. You need to make your videos stand out. Okay, so posting consistently will also help you get to your 4,000 watch hour. Okay, so another thing is identify the reason for which your video should be watched by your audience, or identify your target audience. Who are you trying to target on YouTube? Are you trying to target the young, the old? Are you trying to target a certain age? Are you trying to target only students? Are you trying to target, maybe you're posting recipes and you're posting recipes maybe according to ages from 25 to 40. You need to identify your target audience. Which audience are you trying to target on YouTube? Your video contents, who is it going to help? That is what you should make. That is what you should do by identifying your, that is what you should do by identifying your audience. Are you trying to help someone lose weight? Are you trying to create recipes that will help someone cleanse the colon? Are you trying to create a content that will help someone have so much faith in God? Are you trying to boost someone's motivation, maybe in workout? Are you trying to preach self-love? What is your video offering to your audience? You need to identify your target audience. Yes. Now, in order to attract people more to watch your videos, in order for you to get to your 4,000 watch hour, is how well are you putting your titles? How well are you putting your description? How well are you making your thumbnail to look? How well are you even making your bold text on your thumbnail to look? Okay, now you need to know what you're trying to offer to people, the title that will make them catchy in order to click on that particular video, the thumbnail that will attract them. Please do not do clickbait. Some people will be asking, what is clickbait as a small YouTuber or a new YouTuber? Now, clickbait is whereby you post a particular picture for which is not talking about, for which your video content is not talking about that particular picture for which you have posted. Now, for example, you posted a picture on how to lose belly fat, and in your video, you are teaching us how to cook soup, or you are showing us how to make jollof rice. It doesn't make sense. You posted on your thumbnail that this is a video on how to lose belly fat. Then show us, if you're going to show us workouts, or what we are going to drink in order to lose belly fat. That is what you should be that is what you should be doing on your video. Okay, if you're showing us how to cook jollof rice, then a pot of well decorated jollof rice with plenty meat and orichi should be on your thumbnail, and not putting a pot belly and a flat belly, and in your video you are showing us how to cook jollof rice. Definitely people will click out, because that is not what they want. Okay, now if on your thumbnail you are trying to put a test on your thumbnail, make it colorful. Okay, if it is how to make belly fat drink, your how should have a color that is popping. How to should have a color that is popping. Make should have a different color that is also popping. Your text should be bold for people to read it. Don't come and start using italic words for us. It's not all of us that can read italic. Please, your text should be bold. People should be able to read what you have put on your thumbnail in order for them to read or click on that particular video. Your title should sell you out. Your thumbnail should sell you out. Your video should sell you out. Your thumbnail should sell you out. All these things should sell you out, okay? Check the mic of your phone when you're trying to make your video, or after making your video. Make sure you check on the mic, on the audio, before you put your videos out. I still make that mistake sometimes. After trying to edit videos, we're being too fast in order to post out that particular video. We don't check on the audio. But if you're a new YouTuber and you're still growing, please make sure that you always check on the audio of your video before you put it out. Make use of editing apps. There are different editing apps for which you can use in order to make your video stand out. That way people will love to stick to your channel, and they will definitely watch your videos. Okay, Put all these things in place. There is no how you won't get to your 4,000 watch hour. But remember, you need to be patient with your results. All the people that you see that have 1 million subscribers all started somewhere. They once had 10 subscribers. They once had 1 subscribers and they got to where they are. Don't always compare your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 10. Behind every success, there are nights of sleep. There are sleepless nights. There are nights of endless tears. There are nights of thinking, trying to think out of videos to post in order for people to love it and watch. People dealt with content blocking. They don't know what to post. You need to be patient with your results. In that way, you will get to your goal on YouTube, even in whatever that you're doing. You don't just start a business today and you expect to get to 1 million. You expect to get 1 million today. No, you need to be patient. So that patience that you apply on your business, also apply it on this YouTube. Make this YouTube your business. Call it your own. Call it your business. Put in a lot of work that you need to do. But remember, do not overdo it. Do not try to be what you are not on this YouTube, because you can't keep covering bad things. It will definitely burst out one day. So please, if this is a video that you can relate with, please do remember to give it thumbs up, like, comment, share any of my videos if you like any, and I will definitely see you in my next one. I hope you enjoy this, and I will say bye.